Google Gemini. Let's see how you can use it to save yourself some time. So the first thing you do, let me start with a fresh window here so you can see what it looks like from scratch. Okay. First thing is a prompt. So in this case, we're going to say organize into ordered list. And then I'm just going to take all the notes. Oops. Let me copy and paste. I'm just going to take all notes from info gathering. Okay. Here we go. And I'm just going to paste them right in here. Hit enter. And there you go. So here's what it looked like before. And here's what it looks like after. So it might not be perfect, but it's a lot closer. You can go through and work from here. It'll save you a lot of time rather than working through that just list without any formatting.